Amazing is turning your lounge into a stadium. Debonair's Pizza. Try something amazing.
Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Nkululeko Nkeo. As always, every Monday I'm with Ubobo and I'm also with Ukhaukelo as well. Thank you so much for joining us. First and foremost, of course, there's only one topic to talk about. The final has been decided in the Culling Knockout, the League Cup. It's Orlando Pirates against the Marumo Gallants. We'll talk about that from different angles and different perspectives as well. Congratulations to Marumo Gallants. They won on penalties against the Golden Arrows yesterday. The day before, on Saturday, Orlando Pirates beat Richards Bay 1-0. Congratulations to Coach Vela Komalo and the Under-17 national team. They are in the next round of the World Cup, the Under-17 World Cup as well, following in the footsteps of the Under-20s. So these expanded World Cups give you a better opportunity to qualify for the next round. Now it's becoming normal for our countries or our teams to go to the knockout stages of the World Cup. And I suppose even with the senior men's national team, we expect that the women's in 2023, the national team at the World Cup, they got to, I think, the last 16, if not the quarterfinal of the World Cup. So it's getting easier and easier. And of course, we normalize it and we say congratulations to the teams as well. Bobzit, Pirates Ngenile, another final. I think that's the biggest topic now, which it keeps the Orlando Pirates as a big team keep on getting to these finals. And we'll also talk about the tactics. How can Marumo Gallants give themselves a chance as well? Just congratulate the teams that got to the final of the Culling. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, congratulations Nkuleko kulama team afana ne-Orlando Pirates and Marumo Gallants.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi Marumo Gallants bayayiphinda futhi lento.
Yeah, not for the first time.
Finals maybe 3 times. You remember Isabiza ngeChakuma. They won it.
Yeah.
Ngikhumbula kahle.
Washington Arubi also, yes, they won it against Chipa as a TTM.
Yeah.
Washington Arubi was the Nedbank Cup player of the tournament, as well. So they've been to finals.
And they already lost against the Sundowns, you remember?
Yes, in one of the finals.
Yeah, one of the finals.
I think it was Coach Dance was coaching them.
Yeah, in Northwest, I remember.
Yeah. So it's a team that's familiar with going to Cup finals. Mara, I think the Cup Kings for this era that we're living in is Orlando Pirates. It's undisputed.
Injalo Nkuleko. Angeke sibalekele into efana nale. Orlando Pirates most of the time mawathu ebheka they don't play ngishizo ngatshela uShane they win ama finals. Only one final enkhumbula bay lose against Kaizer Chiefs eMabhida. But ama finals amaningi Nedbank. Yeah, but ama finals amaningi Orlando Pirates bayawawina. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's going to be a very interesting game Nkuleko kule finals because wonke ama team attacker bonke basebenzisa speed uma ungabheka they can attack direct. Bangeza ngama-winger. So siyobona final imnandi kakhulu.
Nice one. What did you think when you saw the announcement here Peter Mokaba Stadium? Because normally bekuyi Moses Mabhida. I think this year we were kind of preempting. I think besembombela le Chiefs and Pirates.
Yeah.
We were preempting which it might go back to Moses Mabhida. Moses Mabhida got the semi-final in Richards Bay in Orlando Pirates, so they got something in terms of a tournament. Did you expect Peter Mokaba Stadium? It's a World Cup stadium.
Yeah, I think Nkuleko ama stadium afana nabo Peter Mokaba bazowa host la finals, especially mangabe mhlambe kunama team kungasine team yaseLimpopo edlala leyo final. It's easy ukuthi ngayodlala. That's why neDurban most of the time ngabheka ama team wase KZN uthatha le final it's rare. So lama team uma ngababuya kwamanye ama province it's easy ukuthi ahamba ayodlalela kuphi eMoses Mabhida.
It has to be a neutral venue.
Business wise uyabona ukuthi kubanjani abantu baya ngebuningi because of they love iDurban, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayo iya deserve iPeter Mokaba man ukuthi inga host ama finals afana nalawo because abantu baseLimpopo even bafana idlala lapha they can support like a team efana neOrlando Pirates country yonke yatravel kuwonke ama province, so it's easy ukuthi the stadium as long kunama packing right everything ngendlela right they will support final efana nale.
Yeah. Do you think Marumo Gallants or Golden Arrows would have been obviously Orlando Pirates by the time bangena go semi-final and you looked at the team Beguna Richards Bay, Marumo Gallants, Golden Arrows, then it was Orlando Pirates. Everyone who understands football would have said Pirates are the favorites.
Yeah.
They are now the remaining team, the strongest remaining team in the tournament. Do you think, because I watched the game, maybe 20 minutes of it as it went to extra time, and Marumo Gallants, they were starting to play for penalties.
Yeah.
Arubi trusts himself, he will save 1 or 2 normally, and that's what he did even against the Sundowns. Do you think it would have been better, Magdala Arrows? Well, Golden Arrows has already lost to Orlando Pirates 3-1, or Ingcono Marumo Gallants. Which one would have been a more formidable opponent?
Yeah, I thought Golden Arrows izodlala ne-Orlando Pirates. Bekuyi-final ebengiyilindele mina. Unfortunately football Nkuleko ingendlela mhlambe iyenzeka ngakhona. So Golden Arrows, I think the coach mawungabheka Golden Arrows, coach Manqoba ubheke nangendlela i-performance Golden Arrows ingakhona this season. I think badlala ibhola right kakhulu. So compare neMarumo Gallants uyakhona ukubona ukuthi i-Golden Arrows beyima favorite, especially manje lokubabuya kuyoluza ku-Orlando Pirates. Bekulindela ukuthi at least sibone ukuthi uzopheya in revenge ucoach Manqoba ku-Orlando Pirates, but ngiyacabanga naye iMarumo njengoba sibona iqualify yodlala ifinal, I think ba deserve ukuyidlala le final.
Yeah, Abdesam Wadu also is a former Marumo Gallants coach. Uzobe dlala no Alexandra Lafitte, who is a young coach, 28 years old. As well. And Marumo Gallants has this history that I think in the last 6 months or in the last 12 months, even including up to Wadu, the time Begago Marumo Gallants, Ishaili Pirates, Ishaili Sundowns, Ishaili Chiefs. They have this thing of being able to get something out of these big teams. Maybe it's a good sign that they're going to the final, although Pirates are still favorites.
Remember, you still have abadlala babuya kuMarumo Gallants bangapha Orlando Pirates, the likes of Nemtatshela. That is why ngithi nayo iMarumo Gallants ine chance final ngani. Bana ku-4 games, I think iPirates yashaya iMarumo Gallants 8-1. Yabuya iMarumo yazodla Orlando Pirates I think 2-0 second league. Yeah. Babuyile this season first round manje babhithi Orlando Pirates 2-1. Orlando Pirates na yabakhipha ku-Nedbank last season, I think 1-0 if ngikhumbula kahle, after baceda ukuluza kuleya league second round. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iMarumo Gallants and Orlando Pirates banayo i-history, especially kulama game esiwadlalile. Se mina ngendlela ngibona ngakhona Nkuleko, coach Wadu ubuya kuMarumo Gallants, ungapha maye ungabheka the coach uAlexandra kuMarumo Gallants, he also doing well Nkuleko. Uma ungabheka le team ayihlanganisayo manje, still bona imsandame bakhona lapha, kunabadlala bafana nabo Ndlondlo, kunabombambaniso bakhona lapha, then unama defender fana nabo Sikhosi, experience, abonhlapo bakhona in the middle of the park. Ukhona no Barnes in the middle of the park udlala ngo left, I think ubuye Burkina Faso. They are doing well lamajita, as long as kunala combination kuleya team. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazonikeza Pirates irun Nkuleko, angeke kube lula for Orlando Pirates ukuthi ngaba walk over. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sizobona ibhola ele right njengoba ngisho ngithi the two coaches, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama tactics wabo they can play low block iMarumo Gallants, and they can catch a team ngama transition uma ungabheka. Leyo counter attack yabo yabasebenzela because they've got speed kulabadlala bafana nabo Ndlondlo, and they can also go direct when abomsendame bakhona uku-attacka wide, kunabo Clement bakhona uku-attacka wide. Uyakhona ukubona ukuthi i-team ebalance nayo iMarumo Gallants.
Yeah. In the weekend, we were watching, of course, Richards Bay and Pirates.
Yeah.
And I brought up this point when we were watching the game that I'm starting to worry about the smaller teams and the fact that sometimes they just roll over and lose. But to be fair to Marumo Gallants, and I want to go to this point, and this is maybe try to think that how can they win the final? Now, this is assuming Pirates is going to beat them. I'm assuming that Pirates is going to beat them, is stronger than them. Now that you know that, even in Richards Bay, they should have known who Pirates is going to beat us. Njengoba basazi ukuthi soshaya Pirates, how do you stop that team? What are your tactics? Ngokuhlangana kamajitu ukuthi is 4-5-1, 4-4-2. Also, ama dark elements we game, slowing down the game, slowing down the tempo. What I like about the Marumo Gallants, even the way I think they drew 1-1 in the league against the Sundowns. Baza bayishaya against Sundowns culling on penalties. Banayo le element yokuwaste isikhathi, which is it's a weapon that you can use. If you trust that by the time of your penalty you have a goalkeeper you can trust who can save penalties. They have that element. Banayo tactical element. When they beat Sundowns, I remember just because it happened recently. Ndlondlo was a false 9. He scored that goal. It almost looked like an own goal. I think it was 1-1 or they won 1-0. One of those two results. For me, I'm always looking at the smaller teams against Pirates, against Chiefs, against Sundowns. What do? You already know you're going to lose. I think that people in football are pragmatic but realistic. They know more than Brazil is a loser, but what can we do? More than Real Madrid is a loser, but what can we do? When you look at the Marumo Gallants, do you think that they have that element? And what can they possibly do, more than Pirates, to try? You're not going to stop it completely. A goal might come, but what could they do against the Pirates to try and stifle them?
I think discipline is on the Marumo Gallants Nkuleko. They must respect Orlando Pirates, but bangayisabi. Into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi kumele babe discipline, because Sundowns and Orlando Pirates bahluke kakhulu mangabe udlala nalama team. Sundowns they will wait uregroup uma ngabe ba breaking
they allow you
they
to
will wait ubuye uzo regroup ukhona ukhipha ishape but Orlando Pirates ayikuniki leso sikhathi inabadlali abane speed inkuleko abakwazi ukucabanga fast ukushesha bafike eboxini lakho as opponent so if bazofuna ukattack Orlando Pirates kwangathi mhlawumbe badlala ne team efana ne Sundowns kuzoba ne problem the approach kumele be different. Sundowns you can approach it wazi ukuthi babamba nge-transition. Defense Sundowns is too slow. You can use abondlondlo ngalesa speed. Yes, nabo Orlando Pirates they don't have speed. Engathi mhlawumbe ungascompare mhlawumbe namanye ama defender. But kumele ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi I will lose i-shape yakho nkuleko. You must try by all means ukuthi always uhlala usendaweni right ukwazi ukuthi one mistake unabadlali abafana nabo Mremi ku-Orlando Pirates. Unabadlali abafana nabo Rile Mfukeng. Unabadlali abafana nabo Sibelebele ku right abo Police ba quick. So if uzofuna attack Orlando Pirates ngenumber once why lose nje position kuleko they will punish you because even though uma ungabheka abangekho clinical ngalo ndlela but Orlando Pirates they've got players abakwazi ukufinisha abo Police bona abo Mremi they can finish.
In fact sometimes they don't even need the striker, they can score from their attacking midfielders.
All the department Orlando Pirates is strong and why nginikeze Orlando Pirates inconsistent this season kuleko. Orlando Pirates this season inconsistent because uma ungabheka they only lost their 2 games in league but after lapho benza kahle kakhulu so kusho kona ukuthi iOrlando Pirates kulama department wayo just la khona nginokusho ngithi ngine fear when China mhlambe angabi khona kuOrlando Pirates angiboni banayo ireserve ukuthi ingathwala lo mthwalo othwala uChina. I'm not saying about Buthelezi abekho right but angeke umcompare we understand so I defense Orlando Pirates I rotate they keep on winning ama games. Bheka midfield Orlando Pirates loku ya rotate kusho kona ukuthi I depth Orlando Pirates izoyinceda kakhulu and lokho kungayinceda kakhulu if Marumo Gallants izofuna ukubamba Orlando Pirates ithi babamba ku 90 minutes extra time ngibona equality Orlando Pirates izofavor Orlando Pirates.
Well, they won on extra time go MTN 8 final as well. I think it's Pirates scored 2 or 3 goals in extra time befaka bo Mremi which speaks to the depth as well so but I think Marumo Gallants I think and I've seen them consistently enough because even Aizolo Aros when they saw Guti Aros was coming at them they realized you know what and Ishai Pal a couple of times Aros and they were like okay low block let's waste time with Arobi dark arts and then we'll get to penalties and if you trust that your goalkeeper will save 2 and he did save I think 1 or 2 he did save more than 1 you know and he trusts himself that he will drag his team and he did that before with Shakuma as well that he will drag his team to winning these cup finals as well. Mawazi ukuthi iPirates iza ngalendlela kaMuremi and we keep on seeing it it's consistent ulindo unokuthi they score the same goals it's consistent it's the same attack it's effective. This is where for me the question is on the tactics because we love football we come from football we love tactics we are coaches. What do you do when you already know what's going to happen? Umuremi angeke umkhahlela because there's nothing stopping you from doing that. Now you could get a yellow card and a red card that's up to you. Or I was saying to Utso at halftime assign a man marker there. So what should these teams be doing knowing ukuthi laba bazosibulala la so fike ground in sofa like you can't just go in there without some sort of a plan.
Kuleko lento yoku-attack ngama wing back kumele wazi ukuthi uyayistop. Unomdlalo ofana nomncube ku right back ye Marumo Gallants he's wearing jersey number 13 what a player Nkuleko unasi speed uyakwazi win ama 1v1 but uzomalawa yini umncube ukuthi ayijump center if nabadlali abafana nabo Mremi. The answer is no. We have to make sure I back four yakho and abantu abafana nabo Clement abantu abafana nabo Msendama kumele basebenze overtime they must come back and assist because once uzonikeza labo badlala bo Mremi space ubonile leya pass vele nje ama diagonal pass ngizowabiza nge-policy pass because uyu umdlalo shaya ama diagonal so if bayo overload kulela side la right uconcentrate them more uvulele space ngapha it's either bazosebenzisa yena uMremi or basebenzisa uHoto but uHoto abamthandi ngani because ku final third he's poor this nowadays so they rather use uMremi bazi ukuthi he's a finisher uyakwazi ukuletha ama cross we understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuze uyistop i team efana nale Nkuleko noma ungeke uyistop but zama ukuthi awukhuphuki ngama fullback
Your
wakho.
left back and right back stays in their
they must
position.
stay so that bakwazi ukuthi ba-close lawo ma-space but ukhumbule ukuthi Orlando Pirates police will come direct,
Yeah.
really will cut in beze direct, so nakhona kuzoba nzima, kumele basebenze in the middle of the park abo-Barnes, kumele bangayinikezi i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi break kulawo ma-space ma-pockets lawo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuleko njengoba usho kuyistopa ukuthi vele
Can't stop it completely.
Exactly,
But you can negate them. I think the phone call
Yeah.
that needs to happen, abafonele ucoach Lehlono Losiyema. Yazi uLehlono Losiyema lost
Yeah.
1-0 twice to Pirates.
Yeah.
But what he did
Yeah.
was, it was a
Yeah.
fantastic game plan.
Yeah.
He stifled Orlando Pirates, he cut the passing lanes. And both of those matches, Pirates Ikore, it was a wonder goal by Mbogazi.
Yeah.
One of them. And then another one was the one Etola Mahopa, and then he mispasses it to
Yeah,
Apolis.
yeah, I remember.
And those two matches, they can be a reference point for the coach going into a final. That if you can watch those matches, it doesn't mean you're going to win. You don't have the quality players.
Yeah.
But what you can do is you can get to the second half still 0-0. But still the favorite is Orlando Pirates. Let's look at the impact the coach,
Yeah.
Abdeslam Wadu. Yes, he was out of Champions League.
Yes.
He didn't start well in the league. He lost 2 matches at the beginning of the league. Those are 2 big fishes. Now, on the other hand, he wins the MTN 8. If he wins the Carling, maybe even winning the Nedbank Cup as well. You see how difficult this conversation is. Ukuthi abalandeli banenjabulo.
Yeah.
Angeke bambheke kabi umqeqeshi ngoba uphumelela ama-trophy ayi-3.
Oh, yes.
Even though, of course, collectively those are maybe for 12 matches in total, or 13 matches in total when you win all of those trophies combined. But the fans will say that we won something. You gave us a good weekend. We went somewhere. We went to Polokwane. We went to Durban. We had a good weekend 3 times this season. So you can see that although not good maybe in the league, and they're starting to pick up in the league, and not good in the Champions League in terms of how early they went out, if he wins this tournament, iyamkhulumela the tournament.
Iyamkhulumela Nkululeko, especially mangabheka oqala iCV lakhe lizoba lihle kakhulu. Ucoach Wadu ukuthi awine ama trophy awu2 Orlando Pirates. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ku side labalandeli into right, if we are failing to come back with a big fish Nkululeko, just get something so that abalandeli bakwazi ukuthi babe happy, unlike ukuthi ungawini nix, failing to win a big fish. Uhlulekile CAF Champions League, but mawungabheka ukufinal eKhaleni uqeda ukuwina i-MTN 8 manje. Orlando Pirates mangabe yayiwina izoba kuyi-team enama trophy this season awu2. Akekho umuntu one trophy. So uyabona ukuthi abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates bazoba happy even though baphumile CAF Champions League, but mina ngicabanga ukuthi for coach Wadu iCV lakhe Nkululeko liyoba lihle kakhulu, because sometimes you need ama big team ukuthi ucoach wona ukuthi iCV lakho libe right. Look at now uma ungabheka the way awina ama game ngakhona, the way awina ama trophy ngakhona. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyoba yenze kahle kakhulu manga angawina le trophy, because nayo Orlando Pirates ngiyacabanga yaligcina la trophy ngalesa sikhathi lisadlala ama team awu2. Angikhumbuli liwina lela trophy.
I don't know.
Yeah, understand. So now officially lidlala ama team awu16.
Yeah.
So uyabona ukuthi uma ingalwina uzoba nayo abeke record ukuthi Orlando Pirates beyiwina Nedbank, beyiwina ilo.
Yeah, unokusho futhi
MTN 8.
uShane ukuthi this is our bad luck trophy.
Yeah.
They never get their hands on it. Even the time we Telkom knockout.
Yeah.
I think in 2017 they lost to Baroka in the final because it's the same trophy, just a change of sponsor. So this League Cup,
Yeah.
Pirates is normally unfortunate in this cup.
But ngiyacabanga ukuthi ofisini uyazi ukuthi into abayidinga kakhulu Nkululeko. Yes, akusho ukuthi bangalwini the trophy bayalidinga kakhulu. But ukhumbule Orlando Pirates ngiyasho namanje Orlando Pirates is not a small team ukuthi ingahluleka ukuwina ileague. Khumbula usanomsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu. Failing for iCAF Champions League laba phume kuma semi-finals khona kumele abe khona ku league. And unawo ama chances yokuwina ileague uma ungambheka ucoach
It's not good log position.
Exactly. And
At number
also-
3, there's enough games as well.
And also the quality that Orlando Pirates have Nkululeko, ubheke le depth abanayo. Le bekade sisho sithi Orlando Pirates ayinayo depth because of bane first 11 or mhlambe first lineup engathi bayisebenzisa. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi unayo chance this season. And uma ungabheka ama team afana nabo Sundowns akusaseyile team esibona beyidlala kahle last season,
Yeah.
last of last season.
There's a big opportunity this year.
We understand for Orlando Pirates to win. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Nkululeko njengoba ngisho ngithi kuyoba kuhle kakhulu ukuthi ayiwine le Carling njengoba sibona ukuthi uzoba sana ama trophy awu2 this season, Coach Abdeslam.
Let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
Please let us know, of course, if you agree or disagree with some of the things that we're saying.
Yeah.
Please engage in the conversation as well. I want to thank people. Our Itiski Times WhatsApp channel. People have WhatsApp channels. About SABC, about Not just in WhatsApp channels. Go to subscribe or follow. We have 53,000 people following now, so we want to thank people for that. We have 305,000 subscribers on YouTube as well. I want to thank you for that. Bobs, let me ask you one more thing.
Yeah.
Do you think bangambamba ngenhliziyo abalandeli umqeqeshi mangabe angawina MTN 8 neCarling and that would be the only thing he wins? Do you think it will be viewed as a successful season or they would be left wanting more?
Izodependa Nkuleko. Kulabalandeli khumbule ukuthi nako asingabalandeli bama team kunento mhlambe esingayi-understanding ngokufana. Kunabanye abazokutshela ukuthi if uhluleka ukuwina i-league ne-CAF Champions League, no, mina ngibona ngayenzanga next because Pirates beyilokhu busy win ama-cup. Siyijwayele lento. We understand. It's like when amanye ama-team awina lento ajwayele ukuyiwina. So kunabalandeli bokuthi as long as sina something eJardini, ngiyacabanga ucoach uzoba alright. But for me, abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates baningi abafuna i-league Nkuleko. 90% yabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates bafuna i-league, bafuna i-CAF Champions League because they know i-value Orlando Pirates ukuthi Orlando Pirates i-team enjani. Orlando Pirates ina CAF Champions League, ina ama league. Manje ngikhuluma nawe so ina how many years? 12 to 13 years we are
Since 2012.
We understand bangayiwini i-league. So kusho kona ukuthi bayilambele kakhulu. And uyabona not the way i-management Orlando Pirates iphendule ngakhona imibuzo after
Signing of players.
We understand signing of players kusho kona ukuthi bakhathele ukuba i-position 2 abo Shane. Nabo ngiyacabanga la khona uyasho ukuthi uyazi sizoyiwina iCarling but ngicela siwini league. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazoba ba happy but kunento abasayidinga abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates which is i-league ne-CAF Champions League.
All right, nice one. Thank you so much, Bobsit. Wonderful discussion this Monday. We hope you enjoyed it. That's pretty much all she wrote this weekend because it was only 2 matches. It was a cup competition, so there was nothing much in the way of football. We saw Richards Bay and Orlando Pirates at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, and of course yesterday it was a drama of penalties. Coach Manqoba Mngqithi looking forward to get to the final again, having of course won the MTN 8 with Golden Arrows so many years ago now. Unfortunately for him, and fortunately for iqela lika Sello Peter, Marumo Gallants, siwelele Marumo. So well done to Marumo Gallants and well done to Orlando Pirates as well. They'll play early December the final of the Carling knockout. It will be at the Peter Mokaba Stadium. The new, of course, there's 2 Peter Mokaba stadiums in South Africa. The new one is the World Cup Stadium, world-class facility. I don't think there will be any problems with buying or selling of tickets, and I'm pretty sure that Marumo Gallants will feel lonely there because if it's 50,000 or 40,000, is it more? So you can imagine that 99% will be Pirates fans.
No, not 99 will be Pirates. Orlando Pirates is abanye support amancane ukudlula iMarumo Gallants. Remember, kunamaqembu awu14 ayoba support iMarumo Gallants. Lokho ngeke sikubalekele. 14 teams iyoba support iMarumo Gallants. So iOrlando Pirates iyoba izimele yona. Baningi engibaziyo ukuthi bazoba basupport iMarumo Gallants kule.
Umkubuza ifinal ye-Bid vs Wits neSundowns.
Le 3-0.
Yeah, that was one of the most iconic finals. If you watch highlights of that game, ubheka a crowd.
Yeah.
To your point, it's the first time we realize ukuthi nabalandeli Wits. They had their great performance about Dan Clade, Eliza Rogers, Mlambo in the midfield.
Mlambo, yeah.
That was a fantastic final. Yeah. I enjoyed that. The only people who didn't enjoy that are Sundowns fans. Me, I was enjoying it. I was laughing like it's a beautiful final. So the same thing, I agree with you. The same thing will happen, of course, at the in Polokwane at the Moses Mabhida, at the Peter Mokaba Stadium when Pirates are playing Marumo Gallants. Thank you very much for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.